Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for our previous episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about the history of Thanksgiving. Now we're going to test what you've learned. Let's begin. Did the Pilgrims arrive in America on a ship called the Mayflower? Yes, they traveled across the Atlantic on the Mayflower. Did the Pilgrims arrive in California in 1620? No, they arrived in what is now Massachusetts. Did the first winter in the New World go smoothly for the Pilgrims? No, it was very difficult and many died. Did the Wampanoag Native Americans help the Pilgrims survive? Yes, they taught them how to grow food and live off the land. Was the first Thanksgiving a one-day celebration? No, it lasted for 3 days. Did Thanksgiving become a national holiday right after the first feast? No, it became official in 1863 during the Civil War. Was Abraham Lincoln the president who declared Thanksgiving a holiday? Yes, he declared it a national day of gratitude and unity. Do Americans still celebrate Thanksgiving on the last Thursday of October? No, it is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. Is Thanksgiving only about food and parades? No, it's also a time to reflect, give thanks, and be with family. Do all Americans celebrate Thanksgiving the same way? No, different families and cultures have their own unique traditions. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're ready for the next exciting adventure about English and American culture. See you in the next video.